Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So yesterday I showed you Leo's Indian Pursuit that we delivered. Today is Sean's Indian Challenger Pursuit. So Sean basically let us do whatever we wanted. He gave me an idea of what he wanted to sound like, and he asked me to do whatever necessary within reason to make it sound that way. We did a wiring rescue on his Victory previously. He had really bad experience with a couple other shops with the bike. So this time, with this brand new bike, he brought it to us fresh. He wanted something loud, good amount of bass, reliable, serviceable. He went 8 months without his bike. Issues that he had with a previous shop. He just didn't want to go through that this time. He wanted something that was going to be built, solid, reliable, so he could just enjoy the bike and not continuously have service issues. I think we did that for him. The bike sounds amazing. We took time in all the wiring, took pride in all the wiring like we normally do. We did 3000.1 in the tour pack. The Indians have a smaller battery than Harley's, so we had to use 2 batteries, one in the factory location, one in the tour pack. This is a full Cicada build, so we did Cicada mid-bass 10s, sealed and ported, reinforced the bags, kept the stock bags. We did CXX in the tour pack pods, we did CXX in the lowers, and we did CHs in the fairing. Did 2 Sound Digital Evo PS 800.4s in the fairing, and the Arc Audio PSM DSP. We used some mounting brackets from Davidson Audio to mount the amps in the fairing. We used the Davidson Audio water shield to keep water off the amps and the DSP. And we built our own custom wiring harnesses. The bike sounds phenomenal, just like Leo's bike. This bike sounds amazing. But I'm just proud of how clean it is. This is a brand new bike, and it looks like it was never touched. So he originally wanted to go with lid speakers. I talked him out of it. I told him I can make the bike plenty loud without doing 8-inch lids. And I also don't like the fact that it changes the look of the bike, and it's not as weatherproof as skipping over the lids and going. Plus, it's an 8-speaker bike as it is. I think 10 speakers would have made the mids too loud and would have made the bike sound like it didn't have enough bass. He trusted me. He listened to it. We went over the tune. He played 8 or 10 of songs he really knows. We dialed the tune in, and he was super happy. I was satisfied with the way the bike sounds. He was satisfied with the way the bike sounds. Now he's got something that sounds great, super reliable, serviceable, and he doesn't have to worry about it. As always, he has a 3-year warranty on every piece of equipment we put on the bike and lifetime warranty on the install. And our warranty is over-the-counter exchange, so he doesn't have to wait for amplifiers or speakers. If a speaker amp goes out, he gets a new one immediately, and we swap it while you wait. It's just a service we offer all our clients. Enough talking. Check out the bike. Sounds really good. And then tomorrow, I'm going to let you hear Rex's bike. Rex has the Challenger Elite. That bike sounds really good too. It's a smaller build. It's 8s instead of 10s. The bags aren't sealed and ported. 1600.1 instead of 3K, but the bike sounds phenomenal. But check out Sean's bike.
You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this song before. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me.
24 hours, really ain't enough time. Ain't enough minutes to tell you what's on my mind. You are the only one, you my everything, and for you the song I sing all my life. I pray for someone like you.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Sean trusted us with his brand new Indian Pursuit. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
Absolutely.
Thank you for trusting us. Have a safe trip.